Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can change your iPhone home button vibration. So this feature is only available for those who have iPhone 7 above, since it doesn't get click but vibrates. So let's start by opening settings. And now that the settings are opened, simply try slide down and open general. And now that it's open, you can see that we have so many tools to work with, so try finding home button. And now that you have found it, simply click it. So now as you can see we have several numbers. And these are the amount of vibrations we have. So let's try click on 2. And now if you click on your home button you will feel the change of vibration yourself. And can tell that it changed. So let's try click on number 1. And now if you click again, you will feel the change in vibration again. So simply select the best vibration you find suiting for you. And now that you well aware of the vibration you want, simply click on done. And so the vibration has been applied, and if you click you will feel the change as well. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.